Bonjour les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield and you can find me at Learn Parisian French on Skype.com. Let me just clean this. I work with you, the successful professional or business person who is wrestling to learning French on your own, and I help you to instead speak Parisian French confidently in your travels and your business, and finally enjoy to the art of being bilingual. And today I would like to talk about simple French. Actually, the whole week is going to be a series of videos that is going to lead to the webinar that I'm going to have this Sunday. The link is in the description of the video above. So it is about simple French for basic conversation, and I want to always put together some contexts and sentences that you can actually grab and go and use them and practice in conversation. And today it is about sale versus propre, dirty versus clean. How do you use them? What would be a context to use them in? And all this nice stuff. And so yeah, this is it. I'm going to tell you more about the webinar at the end of the video. So I'm going to start saying, and at the end of the video as well, I'm going to write the transcript above in the description of this video. So here we go. Comment est ton mouchoir, Marie? How is your handkerchief, Mary? Comment est ton mouchoir, Marie? Mon mouchoir est gris. My handkerchief is gray. Mon mouchoir est gris. Il n'est pas propre. It is not clean. Il n'est pas propre. J'ai un mouchoir qui est sale. I have a handkerchief that is dirty. J'ai un mouchoir qui est sale. So I'm going to say it again. Comment est ton mouchoir, Marie? Mon mouchoir est gris. Il n'est pas propre. J'ai un mouchoir qui est sale. So this is it. I'm going to write the transcript in the description of the video. And for the webinar, the link is above, and it is going to be all about a simple language of a simple French for basic conversation. What do you need to learn right away? What should you drop? And what are a few techniques that you can use in order to make the process smoother and faster. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.